In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Outlook. Integration between tools is the secret sauce that makes your workflow smooth and efficient. Today we're going to dive into integrating two powerful tools, Monday.com and Outlook. This integration allows you to streamline communication, automate tasks, and ensure that your projects are always moving forward. Let's start with the basics. First, you need to navigate to your Monday.com homepage. This is where all your boards and recent projects live. It's your starting point for everything you're about to do. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or initials. Click on it and a menu will appear. Among the various options available, what you're interested in is the Automations button. This click takes you closer to the magic of integration. Within the Automations section, there's a tab labeled Integrations that you'll need to click on next. This is where Monday.com opens up its capabilities to interact with other tools, and importantly, where you'll find the doorway to connecting it with Outlook. After clicking on Integrations, your screen will present various application icons that Monday.com can connect with. Your focus, the Outlook icon. Find and click on it. This action takes you to the heart of our work today, integrating Monday.com with Outlook. The beauty of this system lies in its templates, which are pre-designed frameworks that allow you to automate tasks between Monday.com and Outlook. So once you've clicked on the Outlook icon, you'll be faced with various template options. These templates cover different scenarios ranging from sending emails based on board updates to creating items in Monday.com from your Outlook emails. Take a moment to browse through these templates. Once you find one that matches your needs, click on Use Template. This choice prompts you to set up the specific actions and triggers according to your workflow needs. The next step requires you to select a board from your Monday.com account. This board will be the basis for the automations you're setting up. Select the one that's most relevant to the tasks you want to automate between Monday.com and Outlook. Now, you're almost at the finish line, but there's a crucial step you cannot skip. Connecting your Outlook account. This connection is what brings your setup to life, enabling the seamless flow of information between Monday.com and Outlook. Make sure your Outlook account is correctly connected to ensure the automation works as intended. By following these steps, you've just bridged the worlds of task management and email communication. This integration is designed to save you time, reduce manual work, and enhance efficiency in your daily routines. Remember, the most powerful integrations are those that fit seamlessly into your workflow, serving your specific needs. Don't hesitate to explore different templates and customization options within this integration to find the perfect setup for you. Moreover, always ensure your Monday.com and Outlook accounts are in sync and that the selected board is the most suitable for the tasks you wish to automate. To wrap up, integrating Monday.com with Outlook is not just about linking two tools. It's about creating a cohesive system that streamlines your processes, ensuring that you're always on top of your game without the unnecessary back and forth. With this setup, you can focus more on what matters most, achieving your project goals with ease and efficiency. I hope this guide has illuminated the path to integrating Monday.com with Outlook and sparked ideas on how to leverage this powerful combination to your advantage. Remember, in the dynamic world of project management and team communication, integrations are your best ally.